Hello guys, this is Runaway Tech. In today's tutorial we're going to solve the problem an error occurred while recording in OBS Studio. Well, let's dive into it. The first thing you want to try is simply just restart OBS Studio and your computer as well. If you are familiar with Runaway Tech, then you know the first step is always just simply restart the OBS Studio or your computer. If restarting the software or rebooting your computer is not solve your problem, then let's go to the first solution. The first step is update your drivers, OBS or Windows. In OBS Studio, you just need to go to the Help settings and check for updates. Then you click on Update Now. As you can see, keep in mind that updating your graphic cards, NVIDIA or AMD, also is important as well. The second solution is go and turn off third-party recorders. If the OBS encoder error problem occurs, it's not happening by just update issues, but it can be an external factors too. That's mainly coming from third-party recorder, which you may not know. If you are using an AMD or NVIDIA external graphic cards, go to the settings and disable any built-in recording or streaming software that they have. In AMD, you will find it AMD Radeon, while in NVIDIA, you're going to find the highlights. Right now, I'm going to show you where you can find the Windows Game Capture built-in function and how you can disable it. After you open up the Game Capture settings, go to the recording preferences and disable record what happened option. Also, capture audio when recording game off. And that's it, you're ready to go. The third solution, what you want to try, is disable any add-ons and scripts that you have in your OBS Studio. Think through what you have installed in the last few days, weeks or months. However, add-on scripts and transitions are lifting up your stream quality, but they can cause conflicts as well. Think about SE Live or owned transitions. You can find them in tools, in scripts especially. The fifth and the last trick you want to try is simply uninstall your graphics card driver. Did you currently change your video card, update it to a new one, maybe to get a new board? Some previous drivers may be installed still, especially when you're changing from NVIDIA to AMD or vice versa. There's no doubt that one of the side software or some registry is still on your PC. If you want to see how you can uninstall your graphics card driver completely, then go to the video description and click on the link below. Thank you for viewing this video. I hope these solutions will help you. If not, share your problem in the comment section. Thumbs up. Thank you.